an integral part of the Indian Army, a volunteer force that supports the regular army in times of need and crisis, renowned for its spirit, determination, and pursuit of excellence. The 119 Infantry Battalion, Territorial Army Assam, is a force to be reckoned with. They have carved a niche for themselves under the Eastern Command and have successfully executed all assigned tasks, including the selfless contribution to society with exuberance and sincerity. As the battalion commemorates its 75th anniversary, we salute their unflinching spirit of courage, valor, and distinguished act of supreme sacrifice. Welcome to the abode of the Terriers. Wars may be fought by weapons, but won by the valor of men in battle. It is the indomitable spirit of the men who lead and who follow that ensures victory. The Territorial Army, or TA, is a military reserve force composed of part-time volunteers who provide support services to the Indian Army. The primary role of the Territorial Army is to relieve the regular army from static duties and assist civil administration in dealing with natural calamities and maintenance of essential services, and to provide units for the regular army as and when required. The following tasks stand approved for allocation to the Infantry Battalion's Territorial Army: defense of airfields, defense of static installations and vulnerable areas or vulnerable points, protection of lines of communication, provision of escorts for transit of documents, stored equipment, ammunition and armament, organization of prisoner of war camps and escorts of prisoner of war, internal security duties and aid to civil authorities. Since its inception on 9th October 1949, the Territorial Army has rendered valuable service. The 119 Infantry Battalion, Territorial Army Assam, was raised on 22nd of August 1949 at Tejpur under the command of Lieutenant Colonel R.R. Garud. In 1950, the battalion moved to Dibrugarh, followed by a move to Chabua. In August 1961, the battalion moved to Happy Valley in Shillong, where it remained until April 2006. Adding new chapters to the Territorial Army Battalion's illustrious history is the 119 Infantry Battalion, Territorial Army Assam, also popularly called 11th Battalion, the Assam Regiment, or Assam Terriers in regimental circles, renowned for its spirit, determination, and pursuit of excellence. In May 2006, the battalion found its permanent home in the breathtaking landscapes of Kenches Trace, located on the foothills of the Shillong Peak in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, where it has maintained its presence ever since. This historic location was the site of the birth of the Assam Regiment when the 1st Battalion was raised on 15th of June 1941 in the midst of World War II. Blessed with abundant natural beauty and crisp air, Kenches Trace is the abode of the Terriers. Once a barren land, this site now boasts of the officers' mess, the quarter guard, the well-maintained JCO's club, the Rhino's mess, the battalion church and mandir. Fostering deep camaraderie among the Terriers, canteen store department and non-canteen store department for a self-sustained ecosystem, and the Terriers Cafe, all of it playing out against the picturesque backdrop, far from the crowd, the noise and the pollution. The Assam Terriers actively take part in various activities through the day, keeping them disciplined and on their toes. The various activities and training help them stay focused and maintain decorum. They are part and parcel of the Terriers' daily ritual. The organized practice sends a clear message that the Terriers are equipped to be deployed at the time of exigencies. And after pushing through the rigorous yet fulfilling schedule, the men quickly queue up in numbers and bond over a hearty meal, a reminder of a moment of connection to those they love. Apart from the routine exercise, the Terriers unwind through several recreational activities, and they're allowed and encouraged to pursue their talent. From recreational activities to regimental functions, the 119 Infantry Battalion, Territorial Army Assam, has been at the forefront in organizing successful events, not only for the Terriers but the families and loved ones. From Holi to Christmas, everyone congregates for a common cause to give each celebration its true meaning and purpose. It's the perfect opportunity to unite, connect, and grow. The Assam Terriers have carved a niche for themselves under the Eastern Command and have successfully executed all assigned tasks with exuberance and sincerity. The Assam Terriers backed the Eastern Command TA banner 16 times and the coveted Chief of Army Staff Silver Trophy 5 times. The battalion had also won the Best Marching Contingent Trophy thrice and has won the Lieutenant General S.K. Pillai Documentation Battalion Rolling Trophy 5 times. As the battalion commemorates its 75th anniversary, we cannot but reflect upon various actions and initiatives taken by the battalion that have positively impacted the security environment in the area of responsibility and enhance the trust and faith of the civil population in the Indian Army. During the Indo-China War of 1962, the battalion played a key role in protecting vulnerable areas and maintaining lines of communication. The battalion was embodied for the Second Indo-Pak conflict, during which it conducted operations in support of the regular army. The battalion was embodied for the Third Indo-Pak conflict. In 1971, a company of the battalion, along with Headquarter 101 Communication Zone area, was amongst the first to reach Dhaka in Bangladesh. In a first-of-its-kind operation for the Indian Army, The battalion provided security cover to the Lumding-Silchar broad gauge conversion project, a major trade route and lifeline of the northeast of the Indian Railways in 2009. In 2019, 119 Assam became the first Territorial Army battalion to be deployed for environmental security of the Jiribam Tupul Imphal new railway line project in the state of Manipur. As the Assam Terriers embark on a brand new year, we pay a heartfelt tribute and salute them for their unflinching spirit of courage, valor, and distinguished act of supreme sacrifice.
सबसे पहले तो मैं पूरा असम टेरियर्स का ऑफिसर्स, जेसीओस, ओआर और उनके फैमिलीज को 75th एनिवर्सरी रेजिंग का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। साथ ही मैं हमारे सारे पुराने गांव बूढ़ा साहब लोग, वेटरन ऑफिसर्स, जेसीओस, ओआर और उनके फैमिलीज को भी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं रेजिंग डे की। इन लोगों ने अपने खून पसीने से 119 टीए को सींचा है, तब जाके जहाँ पे 119 टीए आज है वहाँ तक पहुँचा है और उन लोगों का एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है। तो हमें आज के इस दिन में उनका योगदान को याद रखना है। साथ ही आज का दिन हमारे पूरे बहादुर राइनोस का समर्पण और प्रतिबद्धता का भी प्रतीक है। आज का दिन हम उन बहादुर राइनोस को भी याद करते हैं जिन्होंने देश के लिए और रेजिमेंट के लिए अपना जीवन बलिदान किया है और एक सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस किया है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे और उनके फैमिलीज को शक्ति दे। मैं हम सभी के तरफ से उनकी बहादुरी और उनके जज्बे को सैल्यूट करता हूँ।
It is the late Major Mervyn Proctor, a founding member of One Assam, who was the person who started this tradition. In late 1946, he composed the now famous signature song of the Assam Regiment called Badlu Ram Ka Badan to the tune of John Brown's Body. There are 6 verses, but a part of the line is dropped in each verse and is replaced by whistling. The final verse is totally whistled. The Terriers now sing this song and clap their hands and stomp their boots in perfect unison. The battalion is undoubtedly the junction where the interaction of the skills of civil life and military skills takes place.
It gives me great privilege to be present here today on the Platinum Jubilee celebration of the raising of 11 Assam, that is 119 TA. And I'm grateful to the commanding officers and all ranks of this battalion for having invited me here. I retired from this battalion when I left for my home. And I'm grateful to God that I'm present here today on its Platinum Jubilee celebration. I wish the CO and all ranks and family the very best this year and evermore.
Once again, the Indian Army has proven its worth not only in the field of national security but also in nation building.
119 GM! Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
And as we embrace the possibilities of tomorrow, we are reminded of the long-standing resilience, wisdom and bravery of the Assam Terriers who serve and protect with unmatched fervor. The future certainly looks bright.
Desh ki raksha kare